Today I'm opening up a second Wonders of the Binary Mind promo pack. Let's see what my one card I get this time is. So these are really cool, really rare sought after cards in these packs, because almost all of the Kickstarter tiers only had one, except for one that had 4 and 4 packs, and one which was absolutely insanely expensive. Trying to be careful with this card and it's not working. Is the card upside down? I think it might be upside down. Let's see, and yep, it was upside down. Another Handlers of the Dark Triad. Well, I got the same one in 2 packs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.